Na 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 na. Nakikita kong bonding na rin talaga yung connections namin, malalim na kasi ano siya talagang ako yung naririnig niya, kumbaga naririnig niya na rin yung boses ko, kilala niya na ako kapag kinakantahan ko na siya ng lalabay, siyang paghilig, ganun.
Actually, for me, yung paglalalabay, it's one way of quality time din kasi sa bata. Kasi through that moment na magkatabi kayo, tapos pinapatulog mo siya, merong connection between mother and the child.
Based on my experience, mahaba yung nagiging tulog niya. Kasi parang yun na rin yung nakikita kong nagiging bonding namin kapag natutulog siya. Tapos, pag hindi pa naman agad-agad pumipikit yung mata niya, hinihili ko siya, kinakantahan ko siya. Effective siya kasi dahil nga nakita ko or na-adapt ko yun sa parents ko. Actually, ginawa una siya ng mama ko sa baby ko. Yung newborn pa lang siya yung nagpapatulog talaga. Tapos yun, nakita ko na effective ang galing kasi napapatulog niya talaga. So, yun, nakuha ko na siya. So, until now, yun yung ginagawa kong way para mas mapatulog yung baby ko.
Ginagawa ko pa rin ang paglalalabay. Pero actually, iba na siya doon sa ginagawa ng mama ko before. So, ako, gumagamit ako ng cellphone, nagpapatugtog ako ng video, para po mapatulog ko yung baby ko. Magandang way din siya kasi nasiset yung mood ng baby na it's already time to sleep. Yun. Kasi pag tumugtog na yung lalabay na yun, diretso na siya, mahihiga na siya, tapos tatabi na siya sa akin, magkukumot na, and then saka na siya matutulog. Actually, nag-try din ako before na kantahan siya. Kaya lang, nagkaroon ng instance na nabahing ako. Then, natawa siya. Natawa talaga siya. Instead na patulugin ko siya, tumawa na lang siya ng tumawa. So, doon, nag-start na, mag-try kaya ako, nasa cellphone naman. Then, nag-switch ako sa cellphone. Then, maganda naman yung naging effect sa kanya.
So, the question on the origin of the lullaby can be answered from various points. But I can answer it now from a biocultural point of view. When we say biocultural, it's a mixture of nature and culture, or biology and culture. In this point of view, lullaby would be a natural instinct. It would be one of the natural selection pressures that enabled us to persist through millions of years. But when we say Homo sapiens, then that would be around 200 years ago. Presumably, human beings were already singing to their infants and children, so they were able to adapt to the environment, meaning the species did not die out. It continued on through time because there was this practice that helped them adapt to the environment and reproduced through time. So a lullaby, if it's taken as a natural instinct, it's a way by which we are able to take care of the weak and the vulnerable, so that they will develop later on into a fully human being. So I'm answering it that the origin is not from a place, but it's part of our biology. It's part of our instinct to protect our offspring so that the offspring will survive. It's a cultural practice that helps us survive as a species. Filipinos are very sociable beings, meaning we like to be with others all the time. Since our society values sociability, our cultural value to work with others, to live with others, then by singing to an infant, we are already teaching them how to be incorporated, how to live in a community. Community being at the lowest level, meaning family, then to the neighborhood, then to the larger community.
Para sa akin, oo, importante. Kasi katulad ko ngayon, maayos naman yung pagpapalaki sa akin ng parents ko. So, wala akong nakitang hindi effective or naging maganda yung paggawa or paggabay ng parents ko sa akin. Kaya, binibigay ko rin siya sa baby ko ngayon. Kumbaga, kung ano yung nakasanayan ko before, na okay naman, so ina-apply ko sa baby ko. Which is katulad nga nung paghele, mga lullaby song.
Actually, for me, yung paglalalabay, yung pagpapatulog sa baby through music, hindi lang siya basta pagpapatulog eh. Pero yung time na magkatabi kayo, magkasama kayo, nai-instill sa kanya. And then, pag lumaki na siya, naaalala niya yon. Kasi ako personally, ganun din yung naiisip ko every time na nagpapaheli ako ng bata. So, naiisip ko yung memories na kasama ko yung parents ko, yung mama ko.
If it's able to fulfill the purpose of letting a baby to sleep, then a digital recording might be able to soothe the baby and the baby will sleep. But of course, it's always better to have the organic, the body of the mother singing to an infant or a child, you know. I do not emphasize one over the other, you know. As long as it serves its purpose for bonding, then that's okay. But again, there will be a problem if the world is so technologized that there's no longer the organic human interactions, and then maybe talagang ma-degrade ang quality ng bonding because of too much technology.